How to make quiz videos for TikTok in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make your quiz videos for your TikTok account in your Canva. So first of all, just simply open your Canva account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials, and make sure that you have Canva Pro subscription in your Canva account in order to use all the features, and download the quiz that you will make in Canva in high definition and according to your preference. And once you're there in your Canva account, just simply go to the search bar, and over here on the search bar just simply search for quiz, and over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options in order to make quiz videos. Since you're making the quiz video for your TikTok account, you can select any of the portrayed template that you can see in your Canva account. So for example, you're liking any of the quiz video template. I'm liking this one, so let's just go for this. And after that just simply click on customize this template, and once you open this particular template, you can go ahead and make the changes in the template itself. You can change the text, and you can enter your particular question that you would want to add in the quiz. So for example, you don't want to add this particular question and you want to add some other question, so you can simply tap on it, and after that just make the changes accordingly. And you can also change the options given here. Once you're done with the first question, you can move ahead and make the answer for the particular question while highlighting the answer. And after that, similarly, you can also create multiple questions in the same manner that you can see in the bottom timeline. And so if you want to create multiple tabs, just simply click on the three dot icon from there, and after that just simply click on duplicate page, and the duplicate page will appear on the right hand side. And after that just simply go there and make the changes and add another question. And similarly, you can add as many questions as you want in the in this particular template. And once you're done adding the template, you can just download the video accordingly. And you can also determine the time period for the particular question that you would want to appear in the screen. So just simply click on this timer section from the top of the screen, and adjust the timer bar in order to set the timing for the question that you would want to change to. So for example, I'm choosing it for 1.5 seconds. So accordingly, you can choose whatever timing you like. And once you're done selecting the template and making the changes as per your liking, and after that just simply go ahead and play the video and see if everything looks fine. And after that just simply go ahead and play the quiz and see if everything looks fine or not as per your liking. And once you're satisfied with the result, just simply click on the share icon from the top right corner of the screen, and from there just download this particular quiz that you have just created using Canva. And after that you can go ahead and upload this particular video as a TikTok video in your TikTok account. And so this is basically how simple it is to make quiz videos for TikTok account using Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.